Hi friends, today I want to show you my new Ticonderoga erasers. They are more aimed for schools or small kids, but I write a lot of things with a pencil here in my office, and well, I really like this kind of erasers. They are fun, they look nice in my office, and they are all erasers. They even have an eraser in the eraser pencil. So I'm going to write here and let me show you. You can erase with the actual eraser of the pencil. You see, it's very smooth. Or even with the front part of the pencil, with the pencil itself. So, well, as you can see, I mean, it's an eraser. They are nice. I think they give a nice touch to my office. I like them. And of course, you can use them for school, for your kids, but also in your office to give it a nice, fun touch. Thank you.